Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to run a Selenium program in IntelliJ. First, let's get your project set up. Open IntelliJ IDEA and create a brand new Maven or Gradle project. This provides a robust structure for managing your dependencies. Make sure you select a Java development kit, version 8 or newer, for optimal compatibility. Give your project a descriptive name and choose a convenient location to save it. This initial step lays the groundwork for all your automation efforts. Next, we need to add the essential Selenium dependencies to your project. If you're using Maven, you'll edit your POM. XML file. For Gradle, it's build. Gradle. You'll need the Selenium Java dependency, which is the core library. Also, consider adding a testing framework like JUnit 5 or TestNG to organize your tests effectively. Always specify the exact version numbers for each dependency to avoid compatibility issues. After adding them, refresh your project to download the libraries. Now, let's write some actual Selenium code. Create a new Java class in your src/test/java directory. Inside, you'll instantiate a WebDriver, for example, Chrome driver, and point it to your downloaded browser driver executable. Then, you can use methods like driver get to navigate to a web page. Perform actions such as finding elements by ID or class name and clicking them. It's crucial to call driver quit at the end to close the browser and release resources. Finally, it's time to run your Selenium program. Simply right-click on your test class or a specific test method within IntelliJ and choose Run. IntelliJ will automatically create a run configuration for you. If you encounter issues, use the built-in debugger. You can set breakpoints and step through your code line by line to understand what's happening. Pay close attention to the console output for any error messages or confirmation that your test passed successfully. This process helps ensure your automation works as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.